What's going on, everybody? This is Bandit FX here, and today I'm going to be covering my pre-market analysis for US30 on March 14th, 2021. So last week we ended up having an extremely bullish week for US30. Let's take a look at the monthly. The monthly is also extremely bullish right now. So let's just mark out our most recent support for US30. Okay, so we have our most recent weekly support at basically 31,000. Right? So we'll say 30,950. But taking a look at the daily, this is an important level where price could definitely come back down to in order to retest. However, there is on the daily a support level here at 31,890 or 885. So I am going to mark that out right here as a daily support. Okay. Obviously, we're still in price discovery right now for US30, so there really is no resistance. Best word of advice for that, if you are in buys on US30, is close partials or continue to follow it with a trailing stop loss. Every quarter point or things like that. Every 50 points, 250 points, things like that. You're going to want to close depending on if you're swing trading it long term or scalping it. Obviously, that's going to vary, but let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So we have a 4-hour support right here at 32,488 or 490 area. So onto the 1 hour, right? So this level right here, even though it's not a very significant support, it was a resistance, and there is some sort of a resistance that got matched here and then turned support before we continued up. So I am going to mark out this area as a potential target for sells if that ends up happening. Now, I'm not really looking for sells mainly on US30, and the main reason for that is we just began to roll out this stimulus bill, and basically what was announced is that some people are going to be receiving their stimulus checks as early as this weekend. So what does that mean? That means everyone has an extra little bit of money to either do two things with: pay their bills, buy dumb shit, or invest. So you are going to see a percentage of that um, basically flow into the market. So we could see a little bit of a pump in US30. So, I mean, even if they're not directly investing in it, you got to think that people are spending their money. That's going to kickstart the economy again. That's the whole goal of the stimulus bill, is to get people to spend money. Get the economy rolling. So what happens when that happens is obviously businesses are going to start making more money again because people are spending more. People are spending more. That means revenues for businesses increase. So um, I am still very bullish on US30. What I would like to see ideally is a resistance formed and then a break to the upside. So um, that is mainly what I'm looking for. Obviously, if we do come down to some sort of support and we have the potential to continue upwards, by all means, like, I will buy a support level as long as the previous bearish hourly candle gets broken. That's a very big thing for me, especially when taking longs on support. I don't like to, like, for example, right here, if we came down form of support, I'm not taking longs here. I'm taking longs when this candle gets broken, because that's an indication of a reversal. Obviously, it all depends on where it lines up in price action. I'm just using this candle as an example. Um, for like perfect example, right here, I can take shorts here because this previous bullish candle is very weak. So once this low gets broken, that invalidates the upward movement, and then we could continue down. That is for the hourly time frame. That's a personal thing for me, but what I could see on US30 is a move down to 32,700 before we continue up. That's our last 30-minute support. May not happen. Overall, bullish on US30. That's the main point I'm trying to get across. Let's take a look at Forex Factory real quick to see what kind of news we have for the US dollar. Nothing until Tuesday. Okay, so we have retail sales on Tuesday. We have FOMC meetings, federal fund rate, so an interest rate decision as well on Wednesday. So this could heavily impact US30 as well as the other USD pairs. Basically, all the majors will be affected by this. So Other than that, this week, yeah, that's all we have for US dollar. So those are two very important events that are going to be coming out this week. So keep in mind that could affect the price of US 30 and the majors heavily. So depending on what it is, from what I've read, the the Federal Reserve is talking about raising the interest rates sooner than expected. So does that mean right now? No, but there is some sort of optimism in the economy right now. So that we could see US 30 continue upwards. As far as technicals go right now, I don't really have much to go off of because it's just been a straight bullish move up. Just that's my whole reasoning behind, you know, do I want more buys than sells? The only thing I could possibly say as far as a retrace is if we take the daily time frame, we look at this last swing, this will probably line up with something that's significant. Obviously, we haven't created a top yet, so this isn't really a valid statement to make, but drawing the fib, the 61.8, we could come down to this level. Yeah, I don't think we're done pushing up here. So looking at a smaller time frame to see something that would make sense, possible swing. Um, right here. Okay, so we could break down and come to this area, but it's all theoretical. Overall bullish on US 30. Unfortunately, there's nothing really on the technical side to go off of, like I said. But those are some of the drivers, as you saw on Forex Factory, that could be pushing US 30 in one direction or the other, depending on the results of those reports. So let me know if you guys like the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. You can also comment if you'd like me to cover any pairs that I haven't covered already on the channel. And I'll see you guys next time.